Right, so now let me focus on my sail. So I'm going to get my Bezier tool again, and I'm going to draw out one of the sails. So that's my first node, second node. My third node is going to go back to the original one. You can see the shape I've created here. You can see the selection box around the outside. So what I can do is go back to my node, edit paths by node, and I can grab hold of this sail and make it look like it's really blowing in the wind. I can probably tuck that one in a little bit as well. Right, so I'll go back to my Bezier tool. I'm going to try another sail. So let's start off with this one here. Okay, you can no doubt hear my mouse clicking. So every time I move it, it clicks. And if you finish off where you started, then you end up with the shape that you can actually adapt and change. So edit paths by node, grab hold of this fella, and I'll suck him in a little bit, and I'll push him out a little bit. Okay, I'm going to do the same again now with, my third sail. I'm going to try to make sure it doesn't touch the other lines, because artistically it's not very nice if you get all of the lines all joined together. It looks a bit of a mess. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my edit path by nodes. I'm going to see if we can just, we don't want you to touch the other fella. Just pull them in a little bit, see if we can get some movement happening there. All right, so let me do that with the back sails as well. I've got a sail here which I can do. If you find that this red thing happens with this loopy thing, just take your mouse back to where it was, click, and then it should be okay. All right. There's my other sail. So let's just modify it slightly.